Hey there, CASP candidates! Getting ready for the CASP exam can feel like climbing a mountain, but I've got some great news for you. DumpsQueen is here to make that climb a whole lot easier. First off, let's talk about the incredible support and resources DumpsQueen offers. Beyond just practice questions and tests, DumpsQueen provides a whole suite of additional tools to enhance your prep. Imagine having access to interactive forums where you can connect with fellow candidates and cybersecurity experts. You can exchange tips, seek advice, and discuss those really challenging topics that might come up on the exam. It's like having a study group anytime you need it. Next up, let's not forget the comprehensive study guides and tutorials. These aren't just your typical guides, they're detailed and designed to supplement your practice questions. They provide broader context and additional learning aids that will deepen your understanding of key concepts. And if you ever hit a technical snag or have questions about the material, DumpsQueen's customer support is quick and reliable. You'll get the help you need to ensure your prep is uninterrupted and smooth sailing. Now, let's dive into some strategies for using DumpsQueen effectively. Consistency is key here. Make it a habit to regularly work through DumpsQueen's practice questions and tests. This will help you stay familiar with the exam content and structure, making you more comfortable on exam day. Another tip is to schedule regular reviews. Take the time to go over incorrect answers and study the explanations provided. This way, you're not just memorizing answers, but truly understanding the material and learning from your mistakes. And hey, while it's important to study hard, don't forget to balance it with adequate rest. Your brain needs time to process all that information, so make sure you're also giving yourself time to relax and recharge. In conclusion, with DumpsQueen's comprehensive preparation tools, detailed insights, and supportive resources, passing the CASP exam doesn't have to be a strenuous effort. It's about smart, consistent study habits and leveraging all the fantastic resources available to you. So, gear up, dive into your DumpsQueen materials, and tackle that CASP exam with confidence. You've got this. Thanks for watching and good luck on your exam.